Hey guys, welcome to Etsy Shop Reviews, episode 94. We're going to take another look at a print-on-demand Etsy shop submitted by one of you, the viewers, see what you're doing well, see what you can improve upon, and all of us get better together. So let's get to it. All right, the shop we're going to take a look at today is Celestial Gifts. Divine creative coffee mugs, custom personalized gifts. 1,175 sales, average 5-star review, and star seller. Wow, we got a nice shop to look at today. And your banner just straight up says custom personalized gifts, which plugs right into Etsy, who is running TV ads, marketing them as the platform to find personalized gifts. So if we can take a hint, I think the hint that we should take is that we should offer personalization as Celestial Gifts did, and they have almost 1,200 sales to show for it. So well done. By the way, I'll link to them in the description in case you want to check them out. So the first featured item is just a straight up your text here simple mug, and sometimes you just keep it simple. I mean, check this out, in 6 carts. Clearly people are liking it. Also, I mean, very competitive pricing, 11-ounce white mug, $13.50, and you're not making a ton of profit there, you know what I mean? But if you can streamline the communication with the buyer where it's not too much of a headache, and then go in and fulfill these orders. Like, honestly, when I first started, I was hungry for success. I used to, anything a buyer wanted, a potential buyer wanted, I would pretty much accommodate. You know what I mean? Because I wanted to make it work. And I honestly did it while I was at work because I was a web developer. So I sat at a computer all day. So I called it the double down. I could make money 2 ways while being there. So hopefully whoever shop this is, that you're doing something, similar in that you're not just slaving away at because I'm not trying to say that customization is not a good thing, but some customers are tough to work with. And when you're selling a mug for, $13.50, if you have Printify fulfilling it, I guess you could probably make around like $4 or $5 profit per sale. So that's not too bad. I don't know. I in my mind, I'm like, I want to charge more, but that's okay. Pet memorial ornament. You've got personalized library bags. I almost said Liberty. Library bag, custom tote bag. It's already yours. Law of attraction mug. Nice. Love that. I don't always dance. Wait, yes, I do. Peacock Christmas ornament. That's really beautiful too. Is that from AI potentially? Because that looks really cool. Love that idea. I'm wondering if you did a little bit of product research there or something to let you stumble upon that niche. And then you've got the ceramic ornament here. What is the style there? Yeah, the stained glass. The shark, love that. Great mock-ups, by the way, too. Almost like that, having that, feels like there's another light source above it, but I guess that's just in the design, actually. That's just the sun in the shark. And then you got 2023 on there as well. You got the name, custom name and year ornaments. Survived my wife's dissertation 2023. Drank a lot of coffee 2023. Drank a lot of beer 2023. Very nice, very funny. Great mock-ups again too, keeping it simple, but also at the same time it definitely has the Etsy vibe. If there's one thing that we can say about this shop, their success is not a coincidence. I think it's safe to say that their designs and design styles and font selections, font weight, right, how bold do we make it, etc., definitely to me has the Etsy-esque vibe. So well done there. Best photographer ever. You got the name, the year I was published, name, year, the year I beat cancer, not always right, but I'm never wrong. Made it through my dissertation, foraged a lot of mushrooms, registered nurse 2023. I mean, you've just got so many. And by the way, you requested the shop review because now we're putting out, all your niches here for everybody to see. But I mean, at the same time too, I'm going to guess you're protected a little bit because you got some really nice quality listings and of course 1,200 sales to show. But you've got, a great niche selection in terms of like how to approach personalization in terms of what people actually want. You know what I mean? Not just like making something up that nobody cares about. Single, married, too busy fishing. You could throw that on a t-shirt as well. Trust me, I'm a nurse practitioner. Let's see if you offered personalization. Yeah, you did. So you offered the optional personalization. Anybody watching, if you didn't know, when you add personalized or personalization to a listing, it can be optional. So if you sell a design like this, trust me, I'm a nurse practitioner, and you're really hungry for success, why wouldn't you add the optional personalization in case the potential buyer wants the name added or the date added? You know what I'm saying? Or they want nurse practitioner replaced with whatever, registered nurse. Why wouldn't you just in like 1 or 2 clicks make that possible for your potential buyer? That can be the difference between closing a sale and missing a sale. So I love that they're doing that here. Looks like you got a lot of Christmas ornaments and coffee mugs primarily. Given your, price of the mugs, I'm venturing, I guess, you're using Printful grateful for fulfillment, which is perfectly fine. I mean, they got very competitive pricing, while other companies like Gear Bubble have made their pricing a little bit ridiculous and almost priced us out of the market. So you're keeping it simple. You've got a font that works, or a couple different fonts that clearly look like they're working, and you're just kind of entering a bunch of different niches. Played a lot of golf 2023, Coach J tennis, probably Scotch. You know, all these things can be customized, and I'm gonna venture a guess that you've got the optional personalization. Yep, you do. The optional personalization enabled on all of them. So, I mean, what else is there to say about this shop? I think you're absolutely killing it. And I mean, you've just got an endless amount of, not even endless, I mean, 280 products, so you're not getting spammy or anything like that, but just a ton of great niche inspiration, and really just showing that if you're willing to go the extra mile, you can succeed at Etsy, right? Etsy is marketing this platform as the destination, the premier destination for custom personalized gifts and products. One thing you may want to consider, by the way, I was with my private group earlier today, and we went to Google Trends and we looked at the search interest on Google, not on Etsy, for the words custom gift versus personalized gift. Okay, now I can kind of let you guess which one ranked higher. I'm actually looking first to see if you know. So yeah, you're mixing it up. Sometimes you say custom, sometimes you say personalized. The word custom to me looked like it should have been a priority over the word personalized. Not that you have to choose one or the other, but Etsy does tell us to prioritize, basically like front load our title with the highest value keywords and phrases. So if you put the word personalized first, well, that means you're not putting the word custom first, right? I was thinking, honestly, we discussed this earlier, that, you know, you should probably really consider split testing, meaning just duplicating your listings, which if you're logged into your Etsy seller account, up there at the top, there will be a, like a, you know, edit, delete, duplicate, a little horizontal bar, you know, right around here on your screen. I would duplicate some of these and just tweak your title where you swap in and out the word personalized for custom or custom for personalized, especially if you've got bestsellers. I mean, we look at best-selling shops all the time, and it is something that a lot of top performing shops do, where you'll find basically duplicate product listings of the same best-selling product, where maybe, you know, a couple elements are changed. It could be the primary thumbnail, like I said, shuffling around the title. It could be the price point even. So consider those things. I mean, I'm trying to, you know, be helpful here. Clearly you've got a successful shop, and I wonder if you're using, you know, Hello Custom. If you didn't know about that, worth checking out. Hello Custom can help you with automating the adding personalization aspect of your orders. I can drop a link to that in the description as well in case you want to check it out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this Etsy shop review as we close in on 100 episodes. Let me know in the comments, did you like this shop? What did you like most about what they're doing? And do you have any feedback for them or even questions? Who knows if they're going to watch this video and maybe they'll get back to you. But thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.